Hello everyone. Today we will see how to work with WEEKNUM function in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Here we can see date and day. So what WEEKNUM function does, it gives the week number based on a certain date range and based on a on the first day of the week. So let's see how it works. So this is WEEKNUM function. First of all, we have to select the date, comma, and this box will appear. Here we have to give the first day of the week, that is which day we want to be the first day of the week. If we want Saturday to be the first day of my week, that is from Saturday any week will count. So we, if we double click on this, then we can see 16 will be applied here. Now close bracket and enter. If I drag across, then we can see Sunday is week number 1. So this is based on this date range, and up to Friday we can see these are these all belongs to week number 1, and from Saturday our week number 2 has started because we have chosen Saturday to be the first day of our week. So until next Saturday, that is until Friday, it will be week number 2, and then week number 3 will start from another Saturday. So this is how weeknum function works. Let's see another example. Double click on this, take this, comma. Now select Wednesday to be the first day of the week. Double click, close bracket. Now up, this is Wednesday, so from here a new week will be started. So up to this there will be week number 1. So if I drag across, we can see up to this week number 1, and from Wednesday our week 2 started. In our previous example, Saturday week number 2 was started because in this example we gave Saturday to be the we allowed Saturday to be the first day of the week, and in this example we allowed Wednesday to be the first day of our week. That's how weeknum function works. That's all for today. Thank you very much.